Google Analytics gives us insights based on historical data. As users, we need the flexibility to choose the date range for which we want to analyze the website performance data. Let's select a particular date range to analyze the website data. Apart from the real-time tab, all other tabs allows us to use the option to select a date range. Let's proceed with the audience tab of Google Analytics. By default, it will show us the last week analytics. We now want to change the date range for loading website data. There is a drop-down menu to select the date range. Here we have the options to load data for a custom date range, that is with a specific start date and a specific end date. We also have some preloaded options such as today, yesterday, last week, last month, last 7 days, and last 30 days. If we select any one of these, the corresponding data will get loaded. Whatever date range you select, you can view the data in an hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly basis as you desire. With Google Analytics, we always have the ability to focus on a particular date range to analyze the website performance. This allows us to track website performance in alignment with our marketing objectives.